So today in this tutorial we are going to discuss on a topic which is the Oracle order by clause. So Oracle order by clause in the sense, in Oracle order by clause is used to sort or rearrange the records in the result set. Let me open a notepad for more understanding. So in Oracle, order by clause is used to sort or rearrange the records in the result set. Okay, the order by clause is only used with select. The order by clause is only used with select statement. Okay, now what is the syntax? What is the syntax over here? This is the syntax. Select expressions from tables where conditions order by expression AC or DC, ascending or descending. Okay. So parameters in the sense the expression in the sense it specifies columns that you want to retrieve. Tables, it specifies the table name from where you want to retrieve records. Conditions in the sense it specifies the conditions that must be fulfilled for the records to be selected. Next one is, it is an operational parameter that is used to sort records in ascending order. DAC. It is also an optional parameter that is used to sort records in the descending order. So Oracle order by example without AC or DAC attribute. Let's take a table supplier. Create table supplier ID number, first name worker2 of 4000 and last name worker2 of 4000. So here if we execute the query, select star from supplier order by last name. Select star from supplier order by last name. So the above example returns the first name order by last name in ascending order. Order by last name Ambani, Lal and Matwani 1, 3, 2. The above example returns the first name order by last name in ascending order. If you want to sort your result in descending order, you should use the DESC attribute in your Oracle order by clause. So the above example returns the first name order by last name in descending order. First is 2, 3, 1. So here the above example returns the first name order by last name in descending order. So this is the topic we covered today. It is all about the Oracle order by clause. You can refer this website javapoint.com Oracle order by clause and it will help you to learn about Oracle order by clause, and you can try to do some experiment in the SQL developer, and you can write some queries, and by this uh, you will get to know more about that. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.